All right, guys, what's up? What's up? How are y'all doing? Let me know who's here, and we'll get started here in the analysis. Just in 1 minute, we'll let everybody kind of trickle in. So, whoever can make it, that's awesome. If you can't make it, that's all right. You're watching this replay right now if you didn't hit the live stream. So, if you're here live, be glad to answer any questions I can. But we'll go over the analysis, tell you about our trade setups, and what our trade plan is for the coming sessions. So, how are y'all doing? Let me know you're here, and we'll make sure the chat's working, audio and video is working as well. Make sure we're good to go there. Let's see settings here. Audio. Yep, we're good. Hey, Tuna Melt, how's it going, bro? How are you? I'll just make a quick announcement here. Live right now. All right, this is a private session just for our Patreon members, so this is private. So this is the benefit of being a part of the group. Make sure you guys get all the analysis you need. So, all right, we're gonna jump in. I see 5 of you here. I got Tuna Melt's the only one chiming in, but we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, Bitcoin didn't quite reach target. Is it done? Is it finished? Is it going up from here? I can't say, but I'll tell you what I'm seeing, and we'll go from there. Okay. Um, Excuse me. Yep. Kind of front ran the target. I was wanting it to come down to 11.2, hit 11.360. So about $100 shy of our target, roughly. Is it finished? Well, looks like a 5-wave move is finished. So if that 5-wave move is finished, no, there's another way to analyze that. But if that 5-wave move is finished, then we expect, a 3-wave pullback, you know, with more 5-wave. Unless this is the beginning of our next, this 5-wave move was the finish piece of this. Okay, in other words, we're expecting boom, boom, boom. Now, if that's the finished product, and then we're going up from here, then we'll have to watch that. Now, this wave structure, right? The wave structure that it's forming right now. Come on, we'll have to talk about what the structure looks like and what it appears to be. Um, Ethereum and XRP look different than Bitcoin does, and so I'm going to talk about the differences, which makes a difference to me in how we interpret it. But I'd say we're probably still heading down, most likely, but want to be ready for an up move. Okay, and tell you what we're looking for. So anyway, hey, what's up, Rebecca and Tom? How's it going? Hey, Craig and Chemo, how are y'all doing? Thanks for popping in. Um, yeah, I've been working all day, man. I've been working. It's been a beautiful day, but getting a lot done. So I had a really good, productive day today. Okay, so that's a big question mark. Is this formation finished? I can't say, right? I can't say until we get verification. Verification is an impulse off of it. That kind of invalidates other options, and then a 3-wave pullback, and then continuation. At the end of the day, the biggest validation is we get an impulse, a pullback, and then a continuation that goes beyond the 1618 extension of that. That's the ultimate validation. That's what we want to see. But let's zoom in here on Bitcoin here and look at the nature of this wave that's being formed. Then I'll show you XRP, Ethereum, and Litecoin as well, and show you what they're making. Okay, let's see. Let's do 5-minute chart. Okay, so right off the get-go, there's really no one wave in here, okay? But there's a 3 and a 3, 4, and a 5. Whenever you have like a long beginning wave like that, and then you have a pullback and then a shorter one, guys, that's usually not a 3-wave move, but rather it's a 5-wave move, and the 1 wave is hidden down here in the price action. So if I go down to the 1-minute chart and look at that same wave, there it is. Okay, you can see the 1 wave hidden in the price action. right there. This came to the 1618, so that's a beautiful 3. Okay, so in other words, we have off the bottom a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's an impulse wave right off the bottom. You can see the head and shoulders formation here, and that's what a head and shoulders formation is. You have a finished impulse right here and the beginning of a new impulse there. So that's what I'm seeing right there. So that's an impulse. Then after that, so that's a 5-wave move. Okay. After that, we got a 3-wave pullback, and that's pretty easy to see. Okay, 3-wave pullback right there. Came to the 1-to-1 extension. It's beautiful. So we have a nice 1, 2, or an AB. Okay, so that's what we have. And so then what we're going to do, now that we've identified that, I'm going to go back to a larger time frame here. What we're trying to do is analyze this wave and say, is there any clue here as to what this is? So that's a 1, 2, okay? Even though that looks kind of 3-wave-ish from this time frame, we know that there's a 1, 2 down here in this price action. So that's a 5-wave move, a 3-wave pullback. Okay, so here's our 1, 2 right there. The next wave comes up. It's the same kind of thing. We got this kind of a tall candle, a little short wave, and then a little short one. So that's kind of like a 4 and a 5. Okay, that's like 4 and 5. So this is another 5-wave move. So we got a 5, a 3, and a 5, and it comes to the 1618. Okay, and so because it comes to the 1618, looking at that as a 3rd wave. Okay, so the way I'm counting this is like this: 1, 2. This is 3. Now where's 4? I'm going to show you 4. The bottom of 4 is right here, and we're making the 5th wave right now. Okay, let me show you, and you can see this expanded flat. This is the same formation, guys, that we're waiting for to finish on the macro scale. Okay, same formation. See that 3-wave move there? Okay, we got a 5-wave move, a 3-wave move, and a 5-wave move. Okay, so this is there's your 4th wave. It's that running flat. It's the expanded flat. It's the same formation that we've been getting. You can see if we measure it, it comes nicely to the 127 extension. Okay, so easy to see it right there. So there's the 4 wave. Okay, so now we're putting in the 5th wave, and now you can really see that 5th wave. See how I'm just kind of taking this section by section, wave by wave. Okay, so we're going to look at this wave separately. Okay, so where's the end of 3? Right here or right here? Most likely this is the end of the 3rd wave. What you got? So 1, 2. Is that 3, 4, and 5? Maybe. Or is that 4 right there? Like that. Don't know. My wife just gave me some salad. Wanted me to taste it. Let's see. So there to there. The 618 is the target that we ordinarily look for on the extension from 1 to 4. Hey, hon, could you refill me? Lemonade. Thank you. All right. So take a long on a 3-wave pullback. Yeah, that's right. That's the trade setup, Chemo. That is the trade setup. So yeah, this is looking like a 5-wave impulse to me. So this is looking, it's not finished, but it's almost finished. This 5th wave is not quite finished. But what we're looking for now is, once this wave is finished, we're looking for a 3-wave pullback that matches the size and feel of this wave. Okay, so if we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're looking for something like this. Okay, we would look for at least 50% of the wave retrace. So you can put the retrace tool on that guy once it's finished. Okay, something like that. We look for at least 50% to 60%. Shoot, it could even come down and test this bottom again. Um, we wouldn't want it to break the bottom. If it breaks the bottom, then we're not dealing with a 1-2, we're dealing with an AB. Okay, but this is a 5-wave move regardless. That's a 5-wave move, that's not a 3-wave move. So that's what I'm seeing there. So that's important. So that means we're going to get a 3-wave pullback, and then we're going to get another 5 waves up to the upside. Now, I don't know where that's going to come yet, but you're right, Chemo, when you say we're looking for the 1-to-1 extension of that, right? So wherever this wave comes, if it comes down to the 50% pullback, okay, whatever, then we're going to look for an extension here. We're going to measure the first wave, pull back here, and we look for some kind of a trade setup that looks like that. So that's what we're seeing. Now, what this could be, guys, is all this might be is an A, B, and a C, and we won't know this until this price comes up here to the 1618. It gets up here back to 12, whatever that extension is once we get this 3-wave pullback in. So we won't know that until then. So if this thing if this thing comes on up here, okay, then we're looking more of a larger, you know, impulse wave to the upside. Okay, and so yeah, that's what we'd be thinking. Okay. So we'll have to wait for this 3-wave, but we don't want to miss that 3-wave because this could have been the bottom of our correction. Okay, we're going to assume it's possible and that this is an impulse off the bottom of that with a 3-wave pullback. And once we get that 3-wave pullback with at proper fibs, I want to see hidden bullish divergence. That would be ideal, icing on the cake, and then we'll go long from there. But this is a really, really nice looking impulse wave on Bitcoin. Make sure I'm getting everybody. Yeah. This is just a private stream, guys. So don't worry about tips or anything. This is for you guys. This is a benefit for y'all, being my patron supporters. I love y'all. Appreciate you guys. You're helping me and my family. So yeah, don't worry about super chats, man. This is all you guys, only you. Okay. Everybody understand what we're looking at Bitcoin there? So wait for the 3-wave pullback. That's what we're looking for. We want to see that 3-wave pullback that matches the size and shape of this. All right, let's look at XRP. XRP is different, okay? XRP is working differently. It's a little bit more cryptic here. Because, let me go down to the 10-minute time frame here. This doesn't look like an impulse, off the bottom. This doesn't look like a 1-2, but best we can, really, really hard. Let me go down to the 1-minute time frame and analyze that wave. Okay, so this first wave, one might argue, right here is being a leading diagonal. But when we have this pullback here, so we got leading diagonal and then this pullback, when you measure the extension, it comes to the 1-to-1 extension. Okay, so I mean, it looks like a 3-wave move. Now, what it could be, and we have to keep this in mind, is that this could be a 1-2 and a 1-2, and then this, could be heading up. But the question is, does this come up to extended fib levels? Well, let's remove all my drawings here, and so we got a 3-wave move. Let's count that as a 3-wave move right here, with a pullback, 3-wave pullback right there. And this has come up and tagged the 1-to-1 extension. All right, we could come up here to the 127 extension and still be corrective. In other words, this could simply be a 3-wave move, just like this, and then we come back down. But Bitcoin looks like a 5-wave move. This thing is a five wave and not a three wave. So XRP looks more corrective, even though there's some impulse in here. Um, I don't know if it's a 1-2-1-2. Then guys, we're looking for a big move to the upside, and so if we get up here to 29.42, guys, that's going to be big impulse. But still we're looking. We don't. That's the 1 minute time frame, right? So if we start getting up here in XRP, then we're gonna have to relook at this and say, okay, we got something else. We got something else other than a corrective wave. But as long as we bounce down here or the 127, then we've got that's just a three wave move, and we're still looking for more downside. Okay. Still looking for more down. So that's the only thing I'm a little confused on, because Bitcoin is looking like an impulse wave, whereas XRP doesn't look like the impulse wave that Bitcoin is. So it's got me thinking. It's just got me, I'm not sure. All right. So I want to be careful, right? I want to be careful. Um, and then Litecoin off the bottom, the shape is clearly corrective. Okay. Let's go down to the 5 minute. Okay, you got. It looks like a corrective wave here. If I measure it like this comes up to the 127 1-to-1 extension, 127 extension. Um, okay, so three waves right there. Three wave pullback. You can see that we've got three, three, and now we've got another three. We haven't got up here to the 1-to-1 extension yet. Stop. I'm on my laptop. Hey, Grace. Hold on a second. Okay. All right. Okay. We're good now. Because on my charts, it keeps giving me a screen. Don't worry about it. You're good. All right. So anyway, three wave move here. I mean, this looks like a three, three, and now we're getting the second three. I wanted to see it come up here to 61.25, or it could be done at the 786 and then coming down. But again, this doesn't look like impulse. It looks like corrective wave. I'm trying to see if there's a diagonal there. Nah, doesn't look like a good diagonal if it is, but looks anyway down from here. Looks like Bitcoin is. Uh, let's go here. It's like we're getting our down move now. It's good. At least the beginning of one. I need to upgrade so I don't have to deal with this. So XRP has hit the 1-to-1 extension. Litecoin has not hit the 786, but Litecoin's been doing that. Let's go to ETH. Dang, getting so frustrated right now. Mm-mm. Ethereum. There we go. Now, Ethereum, let's go to the 10-minute chart here. So Ethereum came, we got an impulse off the bottom, three-wave pullback. This next wave came to the 1618, three-wave pullback, but this wave encroached the one. So I'm inclined to say this is a three-wave, this is a three-wave, and now we're getting the second three-wave. It's a WXY. That's what I'm inclined to say. It just doesn't look like a good impulse. Let's just put it that way. That's not a very nice impulse wave if it is. Bitcoin is making a decent one, but not so much on Ethereum and XRP. Okay, so I came up to the 786, didn't even hit the one-to-one extension. So, man, I really like it when they hit the one-to-one. It's kind of a clear move, but it's just kind of a manipulated wave here. I don't know. Looks like we still need Litecoin and Ethereum. Just seem like we got to go up some more, and before down. So. Yeah, I would be really happy if this just came down from here like that, right? But again, Bitcoin looking more impulsive than it is corrective. But XRP, Litecoin, and Ethereum, they're all looking corrective. So I'm not sure what to make of that, guys. I'm really not. Not sure what to make of that. I guess the only thing we could say is that the way they'd be correlated is we'd still come down in three waves here, and we'd have to go back up in three waves, and we still got a three-wave correction, and that would be the same for XRP, coming down for three waves, and then up for three waves, and that would be, basically down three and then up three, and so that would all be corrective. And then Bitcoin basically, instead of it working in three waves, it's working in a 5-3-5. So Bitcoin would be 5, 3, and 5. But they'd all be making those three-wave patterns to the upside. And so that would be a way to correlate them all, I suppose. So yeah, that makes sense. So the next move, guys, we're looking for a three-wave move. Three-wave move to the downside. All the charts. Every chart looking for that. Okay? Come on. I'm just going to go to link now. Somebody asked for link earlier. Let's take a peek at link. Okay. Okay. Link has a clear kind of a three-wave there. Came to the 786. Man, they're all coming short. Dang. So yeah, they're all coming short. This could be a five-wave move here. Three-wave pullback. So same thing with Link here. Looking for that. Let's look at the wave structure. This came to the 127 extension. So I mean, it's looking fairly corrective. We do have hidden bullish divergence working here, but we've got room to come down even more. So we'd be looking for three waves, larger three waves. Boom, 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 something like that before we go up. So again, but there's hidden bullish divergence. I didn't check. Let me check the RSI here on these. XRP. There is hidden bullish right in here, but there's plenty of room to come down. So we need to come down in three waves. So I'd like to see that. We got bearish divergence, which is giving us that down move, but there's hidden bullish working now until this price comes and breaks this low. Hidden bullish work in the works here for Bitcoin as well. It's not on the chart, but it's in the works. So okay, there you go. Let's see what we got here. Um, Yeah, chemo. That I mean, those are both good ideas. You could just take your profit at the 1-to-1 and then wait and see what happens, or hold it. With the expectation that you might lose some of the profit if it starts coming back against you. So it's really, it's just. It's always not a bad idea just to take your profit at the 1-to-1, give up some of your profit for a sure thing, right? Because you're not going to catch every wave. You're not going to catch all of every wave. But if you just do the 1-to-1 every time, you're going to consistently make profits over and over and again. Okay. If the three waves breaks one, it invalidates a 1-2-1-2. Yeah, it sure does. Okay. Okay, Craig wants XTZ. Okay, I'll check out XTZ for you. Yeah, this came all the way down to the 1618. This move here. I mean, it looks more like an impulse to the downside. So we got a one, a two, three. Now we're getting the fourth wave, and so the fourth wave is probably going to come on. Probably going to give us this shape right there, and then down. So yeah, XTZ is doing the same thing. We're getting the three waves to the downside, then we can go long. Um, but it's going to be long just for a three wave move, 1-to-1 extension, most likely. Yeah, 127 extension. So yeah, we want to see a nice three wave move come on down. We want to see this thing come on down, 50%, 60%, and then we can take a long, but it's just a long to the 1-to-1. Sorry, where am I? Right there. There we go. Yeah, Rebecca, no problem. Glad to help. I hope that analysis helps you a little bit with where we're headed. So let's watch this wave as it comes down, guys. Let's look for a nice three wave, guys. We're not looking for something like this. We're not looking for this. Okay, we're looking for something larger. Okay, so if you get a little three wave like this, most likely you're going to get another three wave and then another three wave down. So most likely you're going to get something larger. So just keep that in mind. It's got to be proportional to this. So not just this. Okay, we're looking for something bigger than that. Okay. Yeah, lately, man, a lot of the charts are hitting the 786 extension rather than the 1-to-1. It's kind of frustrating because you never know when it's going to front run your 1-to-1 target at the 786. You're waiting on the 1-to-1 and then you miss your trade. It's kind of bothers you. It's bothersome. So, all right, wanted to keep it kind of short. Hope that was helpful. Any last charts you want me to take a peek at before we call it a night? Let's see here. Sorry, I'm just checking the stream, making sure. It's 41 people watching, it says there, but only 13 here. Let me update this guy real fast. Yeah, it is an unlisted, so I mean, it shouldn't be a bunch of people Here, it should just be our group. Oh, SXP. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. I forgot about that. And then, um, what's band? I don't even know what band is. I'm not a big one for the alts, guys. I really, I'm not the most educated on all the different cryptos out there. I just read charts, man. I just read charts and trade markets. All right, SXP. Let's check it out. Against the US dollar. That's a nice chart right there. 786 though. Look at that. It came and hit the 786. Looks like there's more to come, but maybe not. 1-to-1 extension. I'd like to see it come down here. It'd be nice. Yeah, this came to the 1-to-1 extension here. We'll see. Have to see how it comes down. Does it come down 3 waves? You know, or does it come down in impulse and keep going? And keep that in mind, guys. For some reason, if the market decides to just come on down, they can call this a 3 wave if they want to. A Bitcoin, all the other charts are 3 waves already. So this could just come straight down. On a pullback here, not a horrible idea to short this wave, just in case it continues down straight. I personally am still short from an XRP. It's kind of come back up to close to my entry, so we'll wait and see what happens. We'll wait and see. Yeah, no problem, Chemo. No problem. Let me check out. So SXP is just kind of looking the same as Bitcoin there, everybody. Let me look at Atom with you. ATOM. USD on Kraken. There we go. I'm doing a live. Can you wait? Okay. All right. Definitely got more upside to go. More upside to go. I'd watch that target, the 2618 first. I'd watch that target first. But upside coming for Atom. Atom. That's the 12-hour chart. Finish the 3-wave pullback. 5-wave move, 3-wave move. So this could be this. Not sure. RSI is not telling us too much on the 4-hour. There's plenty of upside to go, but who knows what this formation is? Is this formation this? then we get down more, or is this formation a 1, 2, and now we're getting the next wave of the third, and we're just going up from here? So hard to tell. Could go up, could go down. So it could do a complex correction and come down here, or it could do a major upside for now. I would think you'd need a little bit of a correction and then up. There's Adam. Get off my chart. There we go. Okay. All right, guys. There you go. I hope you guys have a great night. We'll be watching this three-way pullback, and I'll be measuring it and tracking it as it goes, and we'll see what it brings. Okay. All right, y'all have a great night. Happy Saturday to you. We'll talk to y'all later. Okay. Bye bye.